Follow me. Elder Joseph B. Wirthlin, in his conference talk, Follow Me, explained the events of the Savior's invitation to his apostles. They were fishermen before they heard the call. Casting their nets into the Sea of Galilee, Peter and Andrew stopped as Jesus of Nazareth approached, looked into their eyes, and spoke the simple words, Follow me. Matthew writes that the two fishermen straightway left their nets and followed him. Then the Son of Man approached two other fishermen who were in a ship with their father, mending their nets. Jesus called to them, and James and John immediately left their ship and their father and followed the Lord. Have you ever wondered what it must have been like to have lived in the days of the Savior? If you had been there, would you have heeded his call, Follow me? Perhaps a more realistic question might be, if the Savior were to call you today, would you just be as willing to leave your nets and follow him? What would we say today? As you ponder this question by Elder Wirthlin, I want you to think of what it means. Does it mean to sacrifice something that you're currently doing for something that would be better? Perhaps even foregoing a hobby or interest to be more in line with the Savior's teachings? Would it require you to think more positively when asked to serve? There could be dozens more ways how we can be more quick to be obedient to the Savior's call to follow him. The call to action. Elder Wirthlin concluded his talk, Follow Me, with this call to action. As Jesus Christ stood on the shores of Galilee 2,000 years ago, so stands he today, issuing the same call he gave to those faithful fishermen. And how to all who hear his voice, Follow me. We have the nets that must be tended and nets that must be mended. But when the master of the ocean, earth, and the sky calls to us, Follow me, we leave the entangling worldly nets behind and follow in his footsteps. I know that times in my life when I chose to be quick to be obedient, I've been blessed with some of my most treasured experiences. When I decided to be baptized after the first missionary lesson, and then told the missionaries I wanted to serve a mission after the second lesson, I know that was answering the call. I want you and I to find new ways to be prepared to answer the call when the Master asks us to come and follow him. There's my works cited. Thank you.